Most HVAC technicians don't lose time because of the job itself. They lose time because of disorganized scheduling, messy paperwork, and constant back and forth with customers. Here's the truth no one tells you. The right apps can save you hours every single day and help you take more jobs without working longer. In this video, you'll learn the best apps for HVAC technicians in 2026, how they actually fit into your daily workflow, and how top techs are using them to stay booked and get paid faster. Let's get straight into it. First, think about your day. You get a call, you schedule a job, you drive out, you diagnose the issue, you fix it, and then you get paid. Every step has friction. Apps remove that friction. Now here's where most people fail. They try to use random apps that don't connect with each other. That creates more confusion instead of saving time. Let's start with job management and scheduling. One of the strongest tools is Jobber. It lets HVAC techs manage customers, schedule jobs, send quotes, and track job history all in one place. So when Jake gets a service call, he can book it instantly and see everything about that customer before he even arrives. But here's the problem. If you don't have proper scheduling, you waste time driving between jobs and double booking yourself. Now let's talk about payments. Getting paid quickly is everything in HVAC work. With tools like Square, you can accept payments on site using your phone or a small card reader. That means no more waiting for checks or chasing clients later. Alex, an HVAC tech in Florida, started using mobile payments and reduced his unpaid invoices dramatically. He finishes the job and gets paid immediately. That changes cash flow completely. Next is invoicing and accounting. You don't want to guess your income at the end of the month. That's where QuickBooks Online becomes powerful. It tracks your income, expenses, and even helps during tax season, so you don't get surprised later. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best HVAC technicians don't just use these tools separately. They create a simple flow. Job comes in, gets scheduled, gets completed, invoice goes out, payment is received. No gaps in the system. In a minute, here's the simple setup most high-performing techs follow. One app for scheduling and jobs, one app for payments, and one system for accounting. That's it. Anything more usually slows you down instead of helping. Another big advantage is customer communication. Apps like Jobber automatically send appointment reminders so clients don't forget, which means fewer wasted trips and fewer no-shows. To wrap it up, the best apps for HVAC technicians in 2026 are not about having more tools. They are about having the right workflow. Less chaos, more structure, and faster payments. If you want to grow your HVAC business, start by fixing your system, not just working harder. If this helped, like the video, comment what tools you're currently using, and subscribe for more HVAC business growth strategies.